everyone. It's Eileen and welcome to the Hearts. I hope you are all doing well. Thanks for dropping by. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome here. I'm making lots of DIY projects and they are budget friendly, so make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you will be notified. Yeah, in today's video, I will be doing a Trash to Treasure collaboration with Michelle. She's so beautiful, talented, and very sweet. You're gonna love her. She's from Michelle's Cozy Home channel. She does Dollar Tree DIY, beautiful farmhouse decor, so make sure to visit her channel after you finish this video. I will link her channel in the description below. Tell her I sent you. Yeah, so let's get started. In this DIY, I will be making a decorative lantern. I start with some cardboard pieces that I had in the garage for a long time. They were from the packaging materials from some IKEA furniture, and I just used the scissors to cut the cardboard. As you can see on the screen, those are the pieces and the size of the cardboard. I just hot glue them together, and it is important to wait for the hot glue to dry before moving on to glue the next piece. And I think this is the most challenging part for me too. Yeah, so also be careful not to burn yourself. And then I did the same thing on top of the lantern. I applied hot glue first on both ends before attaching it. It's more easy that way. Look, we have almost done. And then next, I got some skewers or the barbecue stick. They are from Dollar Tree. I cut them to a size to fit inside the lantern. And then I just glued them to the sides of the lantern. Next, I focus on the edges of the lantern, which were looking a little rough. So I cut a small piece of a cardboard to cover each of the edges. I also glued skewers on the bottom of the lantern, just like I did with the sides. Then I just painted it with the Rust-Oleum chalk paint that I've got from Amazon. I lightly painted it, or I gave it one coat, but it's incomplete. After painted it, I feel like it's missing a vertical line, so I used the skewers that from Dollar Tree. They are the one that's long, and then I just hot glue it on the sides. I use just two skewer each sides. Then I use Nutmeg Brown to paint the skewers. My plan is just to distress the skewers, but I made it more darker. And then after painting it with Nutmeg Brown, I used the white chalk paint to distress it so that it's uniform with the sides of the lantern. I also add nautical rope. I just tie it and then I hot glue it on the sides of the lantern. I think it's a beautiful touch. Then voila, we're done. After decorating it on in our house, I it doesn't match our decoration. So what I did, I painted it again like more whiter, but the color of the cardboard is still sticking out, and then it looks like this. Then I just decorated some candles and greenery. Then I really love how it turned out. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give me a big thumbs up and let me know on the comment below what do you think of this project. And please don't forget to go to Michelle. She has something for you. It's really beautiful. I saw it. Yeah, so don't forget to go to her channel. So bye bye, guys. See you on my next DIY. Take care.